Robert Downey Jr. is set to play Doctor Doom in the new Marvel movies. He replaces Jonathan Majors. I'm not knocking Robert Downey Jr. I think he's one of the most amazing actors of all time. He's dope as hell. But he does have a checkered past. I believe he also has a criminal record. So let me get this straight. We're canceling Jonathan Majors for being chased down the street by a white chick, but we're celebrating Robert Downey Jr. when he's a former dopehead, drug addict, criminal record. Help me make that make sense. I don't understand. Both are phenomenal actors. I'm just trying to understand. Can somebody help me with that?